Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Welcome to File Handling Test 2. Now, this test and this video are going to illustrate to you how to clean up your folder. But first of all, let's look and see what you have to do. Obviously, number one, you need to log into your system, and you're going to open up Smart Notebook. And the reason you're going to use that is because you want to borrow the camera from Smart Notebook. Number two, you want to open up Word, Microsoft Word, create your buffer, hit a couple enter keys, then move it up to the top and type in your name and grade level. And number three, we'll be using Window key and E. So we have the Explorer so we can quickly check our folder and see what's happening. And if you need to, you can open up a new folder and we'll show you how to do that. Now, a couple of tricks, they're not big ones. However, if you need to consecutively copy something, this means there are files in a row, you would hold on your Shift key, click on the first part, hold on your Shift key, and then click on the second part, and you will highlight all of those that need to be copied. And then simply place them in your subfolder. And letter B here, let's say you need to copy something that are spread out. What you would do in this case is click on whatever you have or whatever you're interested in copying or moving and hold on your Control key, and then this will enable you to jump over files and transfer them. Now at the bottom of this, we're showing you a finished product. We're showing you 9 Huffman, 8th grade. Your name will go here, and your folder should be completely clear except for all these subfolders. Hopefully that made sense. Now let's get to the first example that we have. You'll notice, looking at this screen, we have your main file or folder, Giuliano B, and we have some subfolders, and we have a bunch of files that we need to clear up. We're going to show you some basic concepts in doing that. The first one, let's look at 3D shape. You see it's highlighted. I'm simply going to take that and move it up, and now it's in Word. Okay? And here we have PowerPoint, and here's the PowerPoint folder. Just simply click on it and slide it up. You'll notice that we have some JPEGs here, but we need to click on a folder, and I'm going to click on New Folder, and in doing so, down here at the bottom, I'm going to type in the word Photos and hit my Enter key, and then I'm going to click on F5, and it moves it up. So what we want to do now is take our photos and transfer them up, but however, you'll notice that they're jumped around. This is where you have to hit your Control key to jump over. So here's one. Here's another one. See how we jumped over? Here's another one, and we can jump over all of these. And let's do the Cleveland Cavaliers, Eggs, Elsa, and hold on your button and slide them up all the way into the folder called Photos. So this allows you to jump around. Now the one that is consecutive would be, I'm just going to do a short one here. You'll see we have PowerPoint, right? You don't need to do this, but I'm going to hold down my Shift key, and if I had a whole bunch of PowerPoints, I'd click the last one, but I'm going to click this one, and the two of these should go into PowerPoint. So it slides those up. We have 2 Excel. Click on the first one, click on the second one, and slide those up into Excel. And let's do, here's a PDF file. I'm going to click on the first one, hold down my Control key, and click down ones that are distributed, right? Because holding down the Control key, you can jump around and slide those up into, we don't have a PDF, do we? So let's create one. I'm going to create a new folder and call it PDF and hit F5 so it lines it up. Here's your PDF file. And what we're going to do then is transfer those up there when we get a chance. And we only have the one PDF, don't we? Okay. Here's a good example. We have Excel. I'm going to hold down my shift key, click on the first one. Oops. Click on the first one, click on the last one, and it takes all of them in between, and then move it up all the way into Excel folder, which is up here at the top. And you see it's highlighted? So that's how we clean up or clear up all of the information that we have. Let me do these three here. Again, click on the first one, click on the last one by holding down your shift key, and that's Microsoft Word, and slide that up. Hopefully that makes sense. We have a lot more to clean up, but let me just give you a couple more examples. Here's Math PDF. I'm going to click on it, but I also need to click on my Control key because now I have to scroll down to the next PDF, which is right here. And then make sure you can jump over. Then simply hold on your mouse and slide it up to the top and drop it into PDF. Okay, here's some pictures. Again, hold on your shift key this time because they're in succession, and grab those and slide those up into photos. And you can see we have a lot more to go on in Save. Okay, and then we'll show you how it looks at the very end. Okay, it's completely cleared. All of your information is now located inside. As you can see here, I'll click on Photos. You can see everything is located now in the folder. It makes it a lot easier to obtain. Now, I'm going to click on Smart Notebook, which you probably opened up earlier. Click on Camera. And when I click on the camera, you have several cameras to choose from. I'm going to choose the first one. I'm going to go back to my folder and click on my camera. And I'm going to hold it right about here because I want to make sure I get everything located in, and highlight. When I release it, it's now a picture, and I'm going to place it in Microsoft Word. Here's Word. I'm simply going to hit Control V to paste, and there I have it. Now I have my name, my grade, and this is my folder, and you can see it's all cleared up. Simply print this out and submit it for a grade. Thank you. Hopefully that helps.